Okay, so here we are talking about what auto load combination. So you need to define, you need to go to add default load combination. Once you click over this, so concrete. So I see I'm talking about what if you are going to click over this load combination. So that combination is going to create here. It is going to be added here. But if I want to do any modification in this load combination by default load combination, I'm not able to do any modification. Why? It is because we have not checked one option. So delete it once more. Go to add default. There is an option what when you check this concrete frame, the option is what convert to user combination. User combination as editable. Once you check this option, let's say simply okay. Now see if I'm going to click here, go to modify. Now I'm able to do the modification. Hello. You
Yes,
can
sir.
do any modification in title. You can make it as 1. Say okay. In title, you can make it as simply as 2. Okay. So this is what the load combination. Okay, sorry. Here you have to put 2. So okay. So second load combination like that. You can do the modification. But yeah, here only 2 load combination is there. So we are not going to take the help of default load combination. We have defined it manually. Understood or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Sir,
Now,
I have a question.
yeah.
Sir, in this before this, that whether you are designing a steel, concrete, or shear wall, sir, if in a project shear wall is also there and our normal concrete, so we have to check 2 boxes, no?
Yeah, exactly. If like suppose composite type of structure, composite type means what? Like suppose I can say over a RCC
Sir, for
structure. If
example, in a lift session there is a shear wall, so we have to check that shear wall option also, no?
exactly.
Okay, thank you, sir.
That load combination, but yeah, software is what means making it different. But while we are going to do manual load combination sets, so like we are not differentiating it as one load combination for the shear, one load combination for the RCC. No, that is also we are considering as RCC element.
Yes, sir.
अगर आप सिर्फ आरसीसी एलिमेंट कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी
Yes, sir.
ठीक है अगर आप आरसीसी कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ भी जाते हो दैट इज ऑल्सो ओके लेकिन क्या होता है फॉर एग्जाम्पल if you are going to take the help of this default load combination अरे आप if you are checking kindly mute your mic who is there please okay so if you are taking this concrete shear wall design so if I'm checking this concrete shear wall design so if my structure is having the shear wall when I'm going to design for the shear wall software will automatically that load combination will consider for the designing of the shear wall element so here it is what design wall I can call it a design wall so wall load combination it is if you are not checking this means if you are not defining this separate if I'm considering this load combination I have to consider for the design of the shear wall also so what I need to go to this design shear wall the option it is asking to define the load combination select design load combination so once you go to this so manual means by your choice you can set here the load combination for which load combination you would like to design. Are you getting what I'm trying to explain?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
ठीक है
Thank
तो
you.
अगर आप शेयर वॉल देंगे तो सॉफ्टवेयर क्या करेगा उसको डायरेक्टली शेयर वॉल लोड कॉम्बिनेशन को उठा लेगा लेकिन अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपको शेयर वॉल एंड आपका कॉलम in any code or in anywhere it is not any differentiation कि आपको शेयर वॉल के लिए ये लोड कॉम्बिनेशन लेना है कॉलम डिजाइन के लिए आपको ये लोड कॉम्बिनेशन लेना है have you seen everywhere anywhere
No, sir.
हेलो ठीक है तो दोनों चीज एक ही है बट हाँ सॉफ्टवेयर का प्रेफरेंस अलग होता है सॉफ्टवेयर इज टेकिंग दिस शेयर वॉल एज अनदर एलिमेंट and is actually another element but for the combination point of view load concern point of view to that particular element they all are same.
Welcome you all in ASO certified live training program ETABS, RCDC and Excel.
that makes you a professional structural engineer. In this training program, you will learn everything about ETABS and RCDC from basic to advanced, real life project of medium rise structure from architecture plan to final design sheet, real life project of high rise structure with all advanced topics, design of structural elements using advanced Excel sheets. Have a look over the features of this training. Daily live classes conducted by expert for 1.5 hours. Recording of every session with lifetime access. Can interact with expert anytime 24/7. Exposure to real practice. ISO certification of training completion. It's 5-star rated training program. Till now more than 1,000 participants have benefited from this training program. Now you are the next.